Hi guys, I just received my daily goodie box, and it says here, daily goodie box. It is more than just a free sample, and that's right, I got this box for free. And yeah, all you have to do is go on their website, fill out just like some basic information, and they'll send you an email when they are going to send you a daily goodie box. It's good to check back in on your on their website to see if you have gotten it also. And also you could go on Facebook and like some of the products that they have, and they'll give you a free daily goodie box. It all depends on how much they have that they're giving out. So yeah, again, I got this for free, and I have taken items out of the box, and yeah, I just want to show you the card that I got in there, and it says daily goodie box, and it says you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples, full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. Thank you. And yeah, that's what I got there. And then they give you like a little card, and for some of the samples, and you could get like 50% off, 15% off, sorry. And this is one of them, and it says you look amazing, and it says smart pressed juice. And in the back it says that you got 15% off your next order. And then I got another one, and it's for the snackness list, and I think it's their bar that I received it. And you also get a promotion off, 15% off. And now I'm going to show you the products that I received. The first one is Treeline Coffee Roasted. And this is what it looks like. It's a full size. And sometimes you get more samples than others. But yeah, this is what I received. Then I received Curad, and it says Soothe and Cool, instant cooling technology, burn, bandage, remove the heat instantly, cushion, waterproof, absorbent. And it's for minor burns, blisters, abrasions. And you get 8 in there, and this is like a full size. Then the next product that I received, it says 7 Heaven, and it's a black seaweed peel off, and it says deep pore detox easy peel off mask. And so I got one of these. Then I received this is called a Smart Juice Vegan Vanilla Protein, and it says nourishing, and it says it is a plant-based superfood, and it foods and it says single serving packet, and I, like I said, got 2 of these. Then the next item that I received, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's a Auromere and it's a herbal toothpaste, and it says with organic neem, and it says with 20 3 herbal extracts. And this, as you can see, it's toothpaste, and this is like a full size. I never heard of this, but I'm gonna try it and see. And then the next thing I got here is a snackless date and peanut bar. And this is what it looks like. Then the next thing that I received, I got 2 more things to show you. And this is a Grandpa Soap Company. It's been out since, I can't focus in this, since 1878, and it's an apple cider vinegar body wash, rejuvenize, and then it says purified and cleansing, I was right, and it says to leave on the skin and glowing. And it's with organic apple cider vinegar. So this is a body wash. I'm just going to stick that there. And the last thing that I received, I'm going to show it to you now, is they're these little snacks, and they're called Fruitmojis, and it's mixed fruit flavored snack, naturally flavored, and it has vitamin C in it, no synthetic colors, no artificial flavors, no high glucose, it doesn't, well, it says corn syrup free, fat free. And it says apple juice concentrated. So yeah, they gave me 2 of these. And this is what this looks like. And these are all the items that I received in my daily goodie box that I got for free. And yeah, I think it's about 8 products. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 products. Plus I got 2 of these little snacks, and then 2 of those Smart Press juice. So yeah, these are all the items that I received in there. And please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I just want to thank you for watching. Goodbye.